Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have an earwax extraction video for you. This is dry skin and earwax. This particular client has some dry skin in the ear canal. So we know this is going to be tough stuff. So I'm just going to gently probe it with the suction tube just to see how dry this is. And you can see just how tough this is. So it's flaking away in tiny pieces. So we're going to have to put some olive oil in here just to loosen this up a little bit and make it a bit easier to remove. So you can just see the standard size ulna going in here. Just getting a grip on this this drier skin. Just looking for any bit of play in the wax when you get a grip on it. So you're looking for any movement there. Looking for any kind of weaker spots in this skin and wax blockage, because it's completely covering the ear canal and eardrum. So we're looking for any gap or any way of getting this out cleanly if we can. So you just see, we're just getting a little bit of movement there. So we're going to work on that slightly weaker spot and just maneuver a section out. So you can see that this is just really almost crumbly. It's like layers of dry skin and wax, one over the top of the other. So it's just a case of taking one piece away to get to the next section behind and just keep working your way through it. You can see we've got a little lip here to work on, but it's not quite wide enough to get a good suction grip on. And because when you look at the flaky nature of this wax on the surface, it's not a completely smooth surface, but it's very kind of lumpy. So when you try and get a grip on it with a suction tube, you can't get a really good grip because the air escapes and gets through all little gaps. So we're just trying to work on this one section here. We've lifted from underneath, so we've got the slightly softer, stickier wax, which is better to get a good suction grip on. So we're just trying to maneuver this and just trying to lift it upwards. You can see the eardrum behind, so we can see that there. But you can also see as I'm pulling, it's just breaking little bits off. But if you look as we go in now, as we maneuver this top section, you can see that just below it, that section's also trying to move as well. So it's caught this this dry skin in the slight flaring of the ear canal just before it hits the eardrum. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult because that wider section just before it hits the drum is where a lot of this dry sort of skin and debris is. So it's holding what I'm trying to suction in. So we're just having to try and work on as best we can here. There you go, we're just starting to get a bit of movement. There we are, we're just starting to pull him out. Okay, let's clear that bottom section. So we've got a lovely, you can see that the reflective surface of that eardrum behind, so it's really shiny, it's really healthy. Now we just need to remove this top section here. So you can see I'm working slightly further away from it, just going to get a grip on, there we go, just see if it'll move. You can see it's really held in there firmly. There we go. So that's that piece. Now there is another section here at the top which needs to come away. Here we are. Let's see if we can get a grip on this. There, we have to come slightly further back. You can see it's all connected. It's all, there we are. Look at that all peeling away from the canal wall. So now we're starting to get a much better grip on this. There you go. There we are. But you can see this is a lot of skin that's still held in here behind. Very drier, older wax. There we go. That's the next section. Still clearing. Let's see if we can get this last piece away. There you go. We'll come out there. Take a look at the eardrum. You can see how shiny and healthy that eardrum looks. This is what we took away. It doesn't look like a lot, but when you look at the eardrum itself is normally only about 1 centimetre across. You can see that it was quite a bit that way, sitting just in front. But thanks very much for watching again today, guys. And if you liked the video, then please like, share, subscribe. And as always, take care.